Good morning, everyone. Well done for having a go at your hot task today. I just thought I'd pop on and go through some of the questions for you, as I've seen a few people have been struggling a little bit, so let's go through it together and we can share our answers. It's also a good opportunity for you to be purple penning and editing your answers. If you do purple pen at home, please make sure you do it in a different colour. It doesn't have to be purple, just so then I can see your original working out and your edited new version of your working out, just so I can see when I get it back what we need to have a look at next. So I've got my hot task open here in front of me, and I'm just going to go through the first few questions with you. So let's have a look at this first question. Let me just get my pen out ready. This one up here. And in this question, we're looking at making equal groups. Now let's remember what equal groups means. It means we have the same amount in each group. So this question says, are these groups equal or unequal? Write a label for each. Let's take a look at this first one together. So I can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups here. So I have 5 groups. Now I need to go through each group and make sure they're equal, have the same amount in each. So let's count how many fish we have in this bowl. We have 1, 2. The second one, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Fab. So I've counted I have 2 fish in each bowl. So does that mean they are equal or unequal? Well done, they are equal. So I'm going to write, oh dear, Miss Denton's going to try and write equal. U-A. There we go. I got there in the end. Equal. Okay. They are equal because they have the same amount of fish in each bowl. Now let's have a look at this one together. So let's count how many groups I have first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 groups again. Okay. Now I need to go through and count how many I have in each group and see if they are equal. So let's have a look at this first pot. I have 1, 2 pencils. The second pot, 1, 2. The third one, 1, 2. The fourth one, 1. Oh, I'm going to draw a little dot on that one because that one's a bit different. And this last one, 1, 2. Okay, and I'm going to have a look back along. Now this one was different. There was only 1 in this group and all of the others had 2 in. So this is unequal because there were not the same amount in each of my pots. Now Miss Denton's not going to write unequal because that will take too long. I'm just going to write a U. Okay, because they are unequal. Right, let's have a look at, let's go back to my mouse so I can move down. This second question. Now our objective for this question was, again, I can make equal groups. So we're looking at the same thing. We're looking at making sure all of my groups have the same amount in them. So this question is saying, Josh is drawing equal groups of 3. Now I'm going to circle 3 because that's really important. That's an important number, okay? It says complete his drawing. So Josh has done half of the question and we need to carry on for him. So I can remember that I need to make sure that I have 3 strawberries in each of my groups. So let's check this first one together. There are 1, 2, 3. Okay, so Josh has done that one correctly. There are 3 strawberries in that group. Let's have a look at this second one. 1 and 2. Oh, so Josh has missed a strawberry out in this one. So I need to draw another strawberry in this group to make equal. So now I have 3 in this one and 3 in this one. Okay, let's have a look at my third group. Now Josh has only drawn 1 strawberry in this group. So we need to add how many? 2. Well done. We need to add 2 more strawberries to make 3 and to make it equal to all the others. And these last 2, Josh hasn't been able to draw any strawberries. So I need to look back. I need to make sure that there are 3 in each group. So 1, oh dear, 1. They don't look like strawberries, they look like circles. 2, 3. And this one as well. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Now, if I look back across all of my groups, they should all have 3 strawberries in. So let's count them together. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Brilliant. Now we've helped Josh and all of his groups are equal. Brilliant. Okay. Get my mouse back so I can carry on scrolling down. I'm going to clear my drawings. Okay, let's have a look at our objective for this question. So this question is, oh, it's loading, it's thinking about it. Oh no. Let's see. I wonder if I can try and open it again. Here we go. Let's see if I open it again. There we go. Okay. Let's have a look at this third question together. So my objective this time is I can add equal groups. So we are going to be adding together this time. So let me get my pen ready. Okay, so it says, how many wheels are there altogether? Now we know that a bicycle has 2, because bi means 2 wheels on each. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bicycles. And it's shown us the number sentence, the sum here. So 2, add 2, add 2, add 2, add 2. Now I could go counting up and 2s on my fingers, but that might take a bit longer. So what times table could I do to help me work this out? I could do 5, because I have 5 bicycles, times 2. So I could do 5, 10 wheels, or I could do 2 times 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So I'm going to write 10 here because it is my answer. Okay, let's have a look at this question. This question, our objective again is I can add equal groups, and it says, how many fish are there? Complete the sentence. So we need to count how many fish there are in one of our groups first. I've circled my first group and I'm going to count how many fish I have in one of those groups. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I have 10 fish in one group. So I'm going to write 10 here. Now, if I was to count this group and count my third group, hopefully there would be 10 in each. So I'd like you now to go through and count how many fish there are in both of these groups. Let's do this one together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another 10, so I can write 10 here. And this last group, fingers crossed, is going to be another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Brilliant. Well done. There's another 10. So I've got 3 equal groups. Now I could do 10, add 10, add 10 on my fingers, but that will take a very long time. I'm going to use my 10 times table to help me this time. I'm going to count up in 10. So let's count together. 10, 20, 30. So 3 lots of 10, 3 equal groups of 10 equals 30. So there are 30 fish all together. Okay, well done. Right, let's have a look at this last question together, and then I'm going to let you have a go at the rest of the hot task by yourself. So this objective is I can add arrays. Now remember, an array is a group of apples, is a group of objects. So let's have a look at this one together. There's a blank in our sentence that we have to fill in. There are apples in each row. Now remember, our row is this here. Let me get my drawing. Sorry, I want it in red. Drawing. Fab. So our row is this here. Okay, this is a row. So how many apples are there in each row? There are 2 apples in each row. How many rows do we have? Now let's count. 1, 2, and 3. Good. I have 3 rows. Now my number sentence for this would be 2 for this one here. add 1, 2, add 1, 2. Brilliant. So I would now need to add all of these apples together to find my total. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 apples all together. Well done. Okay, I'm going to leave it there for now. I would like you now, if you struggled with those few questions, to go back through and purple pen your answers if you got them wrong, and go through and change any of the mistakes. Don't worry if you have made some mistakes. That's why I've come on to help you, and we can make mistakes and they help us learn. So it's absolutely fine if you have done that, so do not worry. Good luck with the rest of the hot task, and I'm looking forward to seeing them. Bye.